Hello guys, welcome back to the channel guys. It's Jackie. I hope you all are having a wonderful Sunday guys. Today's a great day to be in the outdoors. And guys, I am outdoors with my husband and we're doing some exercising on the outdoors. Sorry about the noise of the ambulance. As I said guys, I am on the outdoors today. I'm doing a walking tour adventure. And I did this video guys to let you know that how some parts of the United States are and what you can do on the outdoors. Me and my husband, we like to be on the outdoors, so I've created this video and hopefully that you guys can watch it. Hope that you guys can learn from it, and if you like it, leave your comments, and even if you don't like it, leave me a comments and let me know how you feel. In the meantime guys, I hope you enjoy the tour. Please watch it till the end and like, subscribe, comment and share, and have a great Sunday today. Thank you very much. Continue watching the tour guys. Watch it till the end. Don't stop, just keep watching, okay? Hello guys, welcome back to the channel guys. It's Sunday and today we're out on another adventure. Yes, walking and discovering what is going on here in America. Yes, we parked over on that side, so hopefully we don't get towed away. I didn't see a sign that says no parking. So I think we're good. Yes, so these are some woods that people can go hiking, and so look at that guys. Down there, yes, this is our work today. It's the first time I'm heading on down here, and I like new discoveries. It is very hot today though, very hot. We've got our umbrellas, but I like to discover new things. It's a bridge up there. So I've always seen people walking down here, but I've never been down here guys, so this is my first time doing this, you know, so new discovery always. I always like to discover new things. Underneath there, look at underneath, this is the bridge here, and it looks like they've got activities under this bridge, because look at all the graffiti. That's one thing in America, boy, you always find a lot of graffiti. So, this look like somebody's old pants. I don't know what they were doing down here. Come on, Papa. It also look a little isolated, but I've seen people come down here all the time, but we actually never came down. So yeah, we have to discover the outdoors. I love the outdoors. So yeah, the river there, the bridge, all these broken down trees. When you see a lot of broken down trees along the riverbed like this, you know, there are beavers. You know, beavers cut down trees and stuff like that. So I'm never lucky to spot a beaver though, but one of these days. See, look up there, all heavy rock stones. Yeah, I don't see nobody but us, just me and my husband down here, but I actually seen people come down here sometimes. But it's woody, even though it's the city, but it's woody. Look at all those geese. hold this for me. Hold my umbrella for me, please. Whew, it smells terrible. Whew, what kind of a smell is that? Look at all the geese. Let me see if I can zoom in on them. Look at that right there. Geese, lots of geese are in this part of the country. Lots of geese here. They'll always be in the waters. Anywhere that you see a lot of water like this, you'll find the geese them gathering. But they also make a lot of nests too, because they'll be defecating everywhere. Everywhere they be defecating, these geese. Yeah. See, those are the geese. Hold this for me. My water. Look at them right there. They're beautiful. That's where we're coming from, guys, right up there. We're not stopping. Yeah, me and my husband is always in the outdoors. But a part of the water is smelling so bad. Where you going, Papa? No, come on, no. I don't want you to do that. We still got some ways to go. You ready? Okay, all right, let's go. Walk trail. It's a walking trail. I've never been under here before though, because we're not in Cleveland anymore, guys. Yeah, we're not in Cleveland anymore. And where we park at, we don't even know if we can park there, but we took a chance. It didn't say anything about no parking or anything like that. We just took a chance and parked there, so hopefully her vehicle will be okay when we go back. It's another pile of the geese. Don't walk in the camera. Another pile of the geese over there. Yeah. See all the water, and the walk trail is right there. But we like to be in the outdoors. We like to walk a lot, me and my husband. Hold it for me. You can't hold that for me? Okay, right up there, all bushes. These big old hollowed out trees. Animals live in there too. Raccoons and skunks. The groundhogs, they live in the ground. So you mostly would find skunks and raccoons. So over on that side there too. Let's see, I'm trying to see where this goes. We've never been down here before, so we're just exploring through the woods. Yeah. Ooh, there's a lot of bugs down here. Lots of bugs. Gee. Oh, there's a park over there. Wow. Let's see where this goes. Like I said, I've never been down here before, guys. These are all bushes over there. And it's a car right there. So, oops. Lots of creatures all over my face. Look at that. Cut down trees. Piles and piles of cut down trees. The river goes on and on. Ooh, I'm getting caught in cobwebs. I don't like cobwebs. Yeah, so this is where we're at, guys. It doesn't look like it goes too far away, but I'm gonna go and see where the trail ends. So look at that over there. Yep. Me and my husband, we like to walk a lot. It's a field, look like a ball field over there. We're the only ones down here. Only ones. And over there in the bushes, the river continues this way. So I'm going to be heading on this trail to see exactly where it ends and to see where we can come back in from a different entrance another time when we decide to come again. Because when we park at, we just took a chance to park because it's Sunday. Look at all those broken down and falling down trees down there. Wow. Yeah, it's a nice place to walk, you know. One thing I can tell you about Ohio in general, the outdoors, man, they have some of the best metro parks in the country. That's one thing I can tell you about Ohio. Yeah. But guys, we're not in Cleveland, Ohio, guys. This is another area that we're in Ohio. Yeah, but we're not in Cleveland anymore. So yeah. And we like to travel. Me and my husband, we like to travel. We like to explore, you know, and we like to walk. Yeah, we like to do a lot of the outdoors stuff. So let's see. So far it looks okay so far, but the river continues, like I said, over there. It's a lot of rivers here. Lots of rivers, big trees and all that stuff here. So, and sometimes you can run into some unpleasant people, because some of them, you know, you got to deal with the transients and people that lives on the street and all that stuff. So wherever you go, always remember, nothing is 100% safe. Always have to be vigilant. You always have to, you know, look around, you know, and be aware of your environment, you know. That looks like a shelter over there that you can picnic. Yeah. The trail continues. Let's see where it ends. Don't know where it ends because I've never been down here before. So let me see where it ends. Looks like it's a far away, but we'll see. And over there's the park. And the river continues over on this side. Look at people go down there from time to time, but I am not going down there. I'm just showing you guys. Yeah, I like the outdoors. Whew. Put on my glasses. Whew, it is hot today. Very hot.
Your umbrella?
No, not yet, because When I hold the umbrella, it's stopping me from record. It's interfering with my recording, so. Like I said, guys, today's Sunday, and it's supposed to, when our truck was saying 71 degrees. It's October, what? I think October. What's today, the 4th or the 5th? So it's Sunday. You guys, you can check in the calendar and let me know what's going on, what date it is, but I know it's today's Sunday. So we're walking down here. Like I said, we've never been down here, me and my husband, and we are walkers. We like to walk a lot, but I want to see where this ends, so another day I can come back and try to discover some more. But it's always nice when you have walking trails and park close to you or where you live, because take advantage of the exercise and stuff, especially in these parks in Ohio. All of these things are free. They don't charge for you to enjoy the park, and that's the roadway over there. As you can see, that white car been circling around. I don't know what's the purpose of him being here, and where does it lead to. I'm trying to see where this road starts at. Look like it's downtown over there, but I just want to see how to come in. Yeah, so I'm gonna see exactly where it ends. Like I said, guys, it's a wonderful feeling when you can come out and you can get the fresh air, especially here where we live at these big tall trees, green, wooded, and it's a lot of water where we live around, lots of rivers. So yeah, you definitely get the fresh air here. A lot of metro parks in Ohio, lots of metro parks. It says no parking on river walk. Okay, I guess they're talking about where I'm at is a river walk. Over there, look at over there. So it's a big enough park. It's just how we came in from a different angle through the bushes, because like I said, we didn't know that this was here. We just decided to come today. Today's a Sunday, and we've been wanting to come down to this park here, but we did not know how to get in. So we got in, and I'm trying to find out exactly where it ends, because I seen cars are going that way. So maybe next time we can come in from a different angle, and see how the thing goes. Yes, this is good when you really can come outside and enjoy yourself and walk and exercise, feel good. It's good adventure today. Adventurous walk. So see, the river continues, and over there, see, the river continues. See, another section of the river. I can show you right over there. So yes, whew. Not a lot of people here, not a lot of people out. We're the only ones. Yep. I've seen a couple cars parked over there. Yeah, but well, we'll see, guys. Come and let's discover what's going on here. Come with me. This scenery is nice though. I tell you, it's falls. It's fall season now. Fall starts, I think, the 22nd of September. So all the leaves are down, falling off the tree slowly. This is another building right here. Going around there. There are some benches. That looks like the bathrooms over there. They got garbage cans here, so if you want to come picnic, you can always dump your garbage. You know, there's bathrooms. So I think this is a nice park. I think so. I've never been here before. See, Alex, what? Okay. All right, so let's see where it ends. Let's see where this park ends, guys. Like I said, a bathroom. They got benches over here. You what? So they got exercise over there, you know, and we got the benches that you can picnic. That's a playground over here, and it looks like exercise area also. Yeah, this is the exercise area that you can come and exercise. See right over there. Let me see if I can bring it up close so you guys can see what I'm talking about. See, that's the exercise area right there. If you're like to lift weights and stuff like that, would be good. If you guys come do push-ups and stuff like that. Yeah. This is a nice park. No joke. This is a nice park. And there's a street over there that you can come down through, but I want to try to get over to see where we can enter from next time. In the meantime, guys, I'm going to continue with the walk. This is true nature's walk here. True nature's walk. Look at this big old tree right here. Look. This is discovering nature. You got that shelter over there too. So it's really nice. This is really nice, really, really nice. Really, really nice. Quiet. Nice. And with this place, there's a lot of lagoons here. Lots of lagoons all the way over there. They're all rivers. Yeah. Lots of lagoons. Thanks for visiting Story Walk Trail. So this is called Story Walk Trail. Okay. So yeah. Very nice, guys. Benches again over there look like, you know, they do events here sometimes. Let's see what this is saying. 18 bicycle. What correctly with, I don't know, recycle. No, it's just saying recycle correctly. This is the shelter right over there. That's the shelter. Let's see. Bring up the shelter so you can see it. But you can also picnic. Like I said, there's a lot of garbage cans. Big old tall trees. It says number 17 here. They got all of these. What are the animals eating at their picnic? Would you want to eat that? Those are little questions that they put here to keep you occupied here at the park. You know. It's number 16 over here. Let's see what this is. Let me show them. Number 16. But it is 15 here. Got a lot of birds here and big old tall trees. Lots of geese over there fighting. They got, wow, lots of them. 14. Guys, I'm trying to see where this park ends so we can come back another time with the family. Right now, it's just only me and my husband walking and discovering. Like I said, I've never been down here before, but I always try to find activities for us to do. Me, my husband, and the family. And you know, I'm a park lover, if everybody knows. I've been watching my live stream from last year. You know that I used to go live at the park and show you guys the parks when I was in Cleveland last year. I would do all of that. I think that was last summer. I did all of that. This summer I didn't do any park adventures like that. But last year I was doing all of that. Look at these trees, monstrous trees. And this is a big, 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 big park. So I'm trying to see exactly where this ends. I have a feeling that it ends downtown, but I just want to see for myself. So those are squirrels in the bushes. And you know, as I said, the river continues. But this is a nice park. I do like this park. You know, I do like this park. I honestly do like this park. Let me know if you guys like this park in the comment section. Leave your comments down and let me know if you like the outdoors. If you go to the park on Sundays or on the weekends, let me know, guys, what you do. We love the outdoors. So some of my videos that you're gonna see on this channel will be about adventures outside. So, you know, that's what we like to do. I also do other stuff, lifestyle reaction, all that kind of stuff. I do a little bit videos on a little bit of everything, guys. So yes, and I've got a lot of videos on the channel. So, you know, I would love if you guys subscribe and leave a lot of the comments and let us know if you like what I'm doing, you don't like it, if you agree or you disagree to some of the stuff that, you know, that I do on my channel. I would really appreciate that, guys. It would really help me a whole lot and growing my channel. So there's some stuff over there for the kids, for the children. So if you have children, you can go over in that area right there. So I'm trying to see, because this is a new area for us. Over there, like I said, is the river, you know. You do? I love this park. Yeah, I love this park. This is, let's go around. This is a little area right here. I love this little area right here, guys. You know, you can always come and sit down here, take pictures for Instagram. You know, this is like Instagram picture. Yeah. And look at all the geese them down. It's fit for Instagram pictures, I should say. Look at over there, guys. The river still continues over there. Look at the river. The whole park is surrounded by a river on one side. So yes. And you got the areas for kids. But I'm trying to get to where I can enter from. I still need to know where to enter from this other direction. See all over there. See all the geese them over there again? Let's see. See them all over there. Look. All of them there. It's very nice. Very, very nice. Let's see what's over there. You got porta potties. Huh? Yeah, hold on. I wanna figure out what's over on that side. So walk with me some more. I want to see what's on that side. So yeah, see, look, the river continues all the way down here still. And you can tell there are porta potties here, guys, meaning that always they have events down here. So look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Yep. So I exactly know where we are now. We're close to downtown. Yep, let's continue. Let's continue to walk so we can see exactly where we are. Come on. Let's do this. So there's another, see they have a tent right there. And up there's a men's restroom and a ladies' restroom up there. Let me see if I can zoom it in so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. But like I said, guys, you know, this look like I'm gonna go up these steps for a little bit, Papa. I want to see exactly where the step leads because I want to be able to come. I will come back down again. I will come back down the steps. I just want to see exactly where down this is. I know we're downtown. I know. But I'm going to continue going that way. But I want to see exactly where this step leads to. See the steps. Up, up. More steps. More steps. Up, up, up. More steps. Woo! Get that booty work out. More steps, more steps, more steps. Yep. Up, up, up. Yep. Just as I thought. Downtown. Just as I thought. Knowing me, guys, I try to see everywhere that I live. Everywhere that I live and everywhere that I move to, I try to discover everything. So I know. So another area right there. Woo! It's a big church right there. Big, big church. Big church. Beautiful. But don't. What are those? Huh? Yeah. Whoa. Tall church. Woo! Yeah. Look at all the way over there, guys. Look. All the way down over there. It is so pretty. So beautiful. Okay, let's continue, guys. Yep, let's continue with my adventure. Just want to continue with my adventure. I kind of like know what street to come in, but I want to make sure. So I'm going to continue the adventure tour. It also says 24 hours surveillance. Look, right there. You see what that says? So that tells you that the park is pretty safe. Okay. Papa, where you going? I'm heading this way. I'm gonna see exactly where it ends. Nice. I just came from up there. I just came from up at that nice step right there. Look. Beautiful. The park is beautiful. I love the park. All these tall trees and these bodies of water with these geese. You know, it's a nice day. If you have time, enjoy your outdoors. Okay, enjoy the outdoors. It will make you feel so good when you come out and explore. Yeah, they got some people first. Come. Yep, so those are the geese down there again. They're all over here in the water, guys, all over. There's some people that just start walking. This is the first walkers I've seen so far on the trail. So, yeah, down there, lots of water here. I got bushes up there. Look, I don't know what's up there. Look like something fell in there. I don't know. What's that? So, right here, and I'm definitely going to see where the trail ends. Yappity, yappity. Outside is it's a good day. Yes. You feel so good whenever time you can come out. I don't know about anybody else, but I know about myself. How I feel, how it makes me feel when I take a good stroll, a good walk. It feels good. It feels good. Like it should. It feels good. Like it should. Yay. Yes, guys. So this is the ending of it. Ending of it. So, yep. The end of our walk. So, yep. There's some more walks over here. Hold on a second. Let me go by the water. Come for a little bit. The water is over there, guys. There's some benches here. Whew. But this is very pretty. So, yes, guys. So this is where it ends. I hope you have enjoyed this river walking tour at the park. It continues. But this is where this video is going to end for right now. Hopefully in the future I can continue the river tour. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, guys. And tell me down in the comment section if you like this tour, you want to see more of this. So yes, and I hope you all have a happy and wonderful Sunday, guys.